Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce churn with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what churn means in your specific industry. Identify your current churn rate by analyzing customer data over a defined period. Gather insights on why customers are leaving through surveys or exit interviews. Analyze customer behavior patterns using HubSpot's reporting tools. Segment your customers based on their usage, engagement level, and demographics. Create targeted marketing campaigns to address specific segments. Utilize HubSpot's email automation features to nurture existing customers. Implement a feedback loop by regularly asking customers for their opinions. Use HubSpot's CRM to build personalized experiences for your clients. Develop a clear customer onboarding process to help new users get started. Monitor customer engagement through HubSpot's analytics dashboard. Identify at-risk customers based on their activity or lack of usage. Engage with at-risk customers through personalized outreach. Offer incentives such as discounts or exclusive content to encourage retention. Create a loyalty program to reward long-term customers. Regularly update your product or service based on customer feedback. Track your churn rate consistently to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategies. Have a dedicated team to focus on customer success within your organization. Utilize HubSpot's ticketing system to resolve customer issues quickly. Continuously educate your customers through webinars and tutorials. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce churn while maximizing customer satisfaction with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.